Hello my friends, I'm super excited to see you here on my channel, as today we will be talking all about opening your Etsy shop. I decided to make this video as I found out there are a lack of detailed informative videos on YouTube covering all the nuances about preparing to open your Etsy store. So I decided to make such a detailed video for you where I do my best to highlight all necessary things you need to start your brand new Etsy shop successfully and get your first Etsy sale. And in today's video, I will be focusing on why Etsy is the best marketplace to start selling your items. All you need to do step by step before starting your Etsy shop. What Etsy tools you can use to make your newly listed products rank higher on Etsy so you can get more traffic from the start, which can increase your chances to get a sale. But before we dive into it, make sure to subscribe to this channel not to miss new videos from me in which I share a lot of tips for increasing your Etsy sales. If you're still hesitating about opening your Etsy shop, I would like to say, stop doing this. A lot of Etsy beginners who have now a successful shop were in your shoes. I mean, a little fear is okay at the start, but you really need to do this. You need to open your Etsy shop, as I am pretty sure you have some beautiful products to share with the world. And a feeling when you get a 5-star review with kind words from your first happy customer, really worth it. Moreover, there is one more pro of opening your Etsy shop, and that is Etsy is a huge marketplace where there are millions of shoppers who are looking for unique items to buy them from themselves or for making gifts to their relatives or friends. Selling on Etsy is much easier than selling from your own website, as you can really start selling without big investments or without investments at all. You need to just pay only 20 cents when you relist your item and a small commission that is about 3.5% after you make a sale. But at the start, you have an opportunity to list 40 new items for free if you use a referral link from any other Etsy shop. You can ask for such a link easily by joining any Etsy sellers group on Facebook, just making a post like, "Hi, I'm looking for free 40 listings to start my new Etsy shop." And I swear a lot of sellers will gladly share their links, as they also have the same benefit from it in the form of 40 free relistings for themselves. Also, you can find such a link to get 40 free listings below in the description. I will leave a link for you guys there. So let's dive into the main part of today's video. I want to talk about the exact steps you need to do before starting your Etsy shop. Number 1, and the first step is to make a decision about your main niche. You need to decide what type of products you are going to sell. I want to emphasize the importance of this step, as a lot of sellers make huge mistakes stuffing their new shops with items that completely differ from each other. If you sell jewelry, you can sell different products and types of it, but please do not add items from other niches to your shop, like items for dogs, home furniture, wall decor, pillows, or books. If you have items from different niches, it's better to open several shops. A lot of irrelevant products listed in one shop seems to buyers like a mess and only frightens them away. So the rule number 1 is decide what products you would like to sell. Step number 2 is you should prepare about 10 products in advance. These should be made and ready for shipping, as after you list them on Etsy, you may have a sale the next day you list them or even the same day you added them to your shop. Actually, when you create a new shop on Etsy, it's permitted to add only one item while registering your selling account. You can go this way, but right after this, I strictly recommend adding at least 10 items to your shop, as this way your shop will look real for a buyer. Shops with only one item look strange for most shoppers, so make sure to set up your Etsy store with some amount of ready items. I recommend adding at least 10 items to make your shop more attractive. Moreover, if you offer several products, you will be getting orders with several items sold, so it's a great double opportunity for you and for your Etsy shop to grow fast. Step number 3 is preparing the title and tags for at least one of your listings. You need to do it in advance not to lose your time while registering your seller's account and creating your Etsy shop. A title is a name of your product that shoppers can see while searching for what they want. In a browser version, the title is located at the right corner next to your listing photo. In a mobile version, it is located under the listings photo. Etsy tags are words or multi-word phrases up to 20 characters long that you should add into your tag section while creating your first listing. It's better to add all 13 tags. Including in your title and tags popular keywords or simply speaking phrases people are looking for while typing some search terms on Etsy is the most important thing you should care about when it comes to your Etsy success. Using the right keywords in your title and tags may have a great impact on your Etsy sales as it gives you more traffic and thus more selling opportunities. To prepare good keywords for your title and tags in advance, I recommend using a special web application for Etsy sellers called Seller Way. Seller Way is a website integrated with Etsy, and this smart software knows all about working keywords on the Etsy marketplace. So it will help you to analyze different keywords on Etsy in the context of competition and demand and choose the best ones for your title and tags. Just go to sellerway.com, open Keywords tool, enter any keyword related to your product into the search box, hit the search button, and get several pages with keyword variations to choose among. Choosing keywords with low competition and high view rate will give you beneficial positions on Etsy search results that can increase your traffic so more potential buyers can see your amazing products. To register on Seller Way, you need to have any Etsy account, and it doesn't matter whether it is a selling account or not. I use a plus version of the Seller Way, and it's a lot of help for me, but Seller Way also has a free version, so you can start from to find keywords for your first Etsy listing. As I said, you need to prepare a title and tags for your first listing, as you need to create your first listing while registering your Etsy seller account. But after you set up your shop, it's better to add at least 10 listings to your shop. And again, you can use Seller Way for finding the best keywords for each of your new listings, and those good keywords should work for increasing your future Etsy traffic. The process of using the right keywords in your title and tags means optimizing your listings for ranking higher on Etsy search results, and it is called search engine optimization or just SEO. I have another super detailed video on this channel devoted to SEO and making it work for your Etsy shop. I will leave the link to it in the description below, and also you can see it as a pop-up right here on the top of your screen, so make sure to watch that video too if you are serious about selling on Etsy and want to make good results from your Etsy business. Also, I have prepared an Etsy SEO checklist for you guys, so make sure to download it using the link down below. Step number 4 is preparing a description for your item. And again, you should add it while creating your first listing while opening your Etsy shop. Paste your item description in the field for a description. Your description should entice your potential buyer to make a purchase from your shop, but not a shop of your competitor. As you know, there are other sellers offering their nice and unique products on Etsy. They are your competitors, and that's why you should write your description the way a buyer does make a purchase from your Etsy shop. And here are some tips of writing an enticing description. Describe the beneficial features of your product that make it different from other Etsy goods. Do not forget to state materials, sizes, and colors you offer. Include in your description additional links to similar products from your shop you potential buyers may be interested in. This is a beneficial trick a lot of sellers skip, but it really may keep your buyer on your Etsy shop and moreover can bring not one but several sales from your shop in one order. In my another video, I will take you through the entire process of registering your new Etsy sellers account, so make sure to subscribe to this channel not to miss it. If this video was really helpful for you and you are going to start your own Etsy shop soon, please give me your like, hitting the like button down below, and also make sure to press the notification bell button not to miss my brand new videos. I always do my best to include the most useful tips for you with interesting examples. Let me know in the comments below what type of products you are going to start selling on Etsy. Also, let me know what video you wish I prepare for you next if you have some great ideas. Good luck to everyone and see you next time. Bye!